It's been about 12 weeks, so 12 sessions every Wednesday from 4:30 to about 8:30 p.m. And every class is a different subject or a different thing that we focus on. We've had K-9 units, we've had a safety shooting day, which was really fun. We've had all kinds of field trips to the Colorado Capitol and to a Natural Student Police Academy. We've also had a lot of other interesting and informative classes where the police officers will kind of have a lecture on their chosen profession. I think it's really common to forget that police officers are people too. I was surprised when I was voted the president of the academy. I didn't expect that to happen, but I was really happy that I was, because now I get to say a speech and I put my heart and soul into it. From the moment I saw my best friends being tased on the very first class, all the way to exploring the secret tunnels of the Colorado Capitol, it has been my absolute pleasure attending every single Wednesday. Each session was always the highlight of my week because they were fun, we were fed, and most importantly, every time I walked out the doors of that station, I learned something new about myself that I did not know before.
It has been incredible, and the skills and the things they teach you here are unbeatable, and there's nowhere else that I would want to learn these things than here. I'm so grateful for everyone that spent their time and their money teaching normal people like me what it means to be a police officer.
The police academy in general has shown me how the police officers, just their day-to-day life, and if that's a career choice I want to look into, then now I have a little bit more of an opportunity to go into that.
I always ended up learning something new, and always ended up having more appreciation for law enforcement officers than I did before. So thank you guys so much, and I would keep doing this for many, many more years.